Hey, this is Mike. Just want to show you this 2014 Jeep Compass in a Jeep Cherry Red. And this is a pretty nice one. And check out, it has the projector fog lights here. It's got the alloy wheels, nice big alloy wheels. Has a sunroof. Luggage rack there on the top. This is the high altitude package. Now, one of the features this has is remote start. So I'm going to go ahead and use the key and start it up. Step back here to give you an idea what it looks like. And check out the window sticker here. It has the 2.4 liter or 2.0 liter, sorry, engine and a continuously variable transmission. This one does have leather. I'll show you that in a second. I'm going to unlock it using the keyless entry here. Open up the back so you can see what the back looks like. Now, those seats, as you can see, they do fold down, so you have some more cargo space in case you need it. There's a little storage pocket there, actually a pretty good sized storage pocket. You got some tie downs there on the sides. This lifts up, revealing your spare tire and tools, and I guess you could probably use it for some storage too. Now, this one does have a backup camera. You can see the lens right here. Door handles right here for the back doors. Here's the inside of the back door. We've got a little pocket there at the bottom. Nice huge speaker. Has a really good sound system in it too. Got some leg room. Give you an idea of what the leg room looks like. That front seat's all the way back, so you kind of a little bit, when the seat's all the way back, kind of a little bit limited, but not too bad. And here's your you gotta do this. Need two hands to do it. Anyway, these are nice quality leather, perforated. You see the perforations are here on the back seat as well. Here's the inside of the front door. Got a little pocket there, nice big speaker. And then you have your window controls, door lock controls, and your little joystick for your side mirror controls. And the side mirrors are heated. You got the power seat here in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. Now, I used a remote start, so I still have to use the key and put that in and turn on the vehicle, so that way everything turns on. All right. So, turn the fan down and the radio down a little bit. Alright, we'll start off with the steering wheel. Has a nice thickness to it and a good feel. And right here on the steering wheel, you'll see on the right side you got some buttons. Those are your cruise control buttons. On the left side is for your little information thing there, like right here. It says 10 miles an hour. I can step through that and like I say, look at the trip there, different trips, the temperature outside and stuff like that. So that's what that's for your trips. There's a couple of features there, but not a huge amount, but it does have some. There's your gauges. Now, on the back of the steering wheel right here, there's like a up and down switch here, so I can turn the volume up and down on the stereo. I can also, on this side, I can change the stations. So I can change stations. like that. So I can keep my hand on a steering wheel, I could change stations, I could do the volume, stuff like that. So that's a good safety feature. Now, as far as the radio itself, let me go ahead and put it in reverse so you can see that it is a backup camera, and that way you kind of gives you an idea of, you know, what's directly. Now, it's not that hard to see behind the vehicle, but this just adds a layer, another layer of safety when you're backing up. So that's one of the features of it. Now, another feature is it does have a hard drive, and you can add files to the hard drive using this little USB port right here, or you can load files. Put that back in there. There it goes. I can load files with a disk right there. So I can put a DVD disc or a CD disc, compact disc, and put it in there and load your files onto the hard drive, or play directly off the disc if you like. You can also play, if you have like an iPod or a portable MP3 player, something like that, or even your phone, you can hook a cable up to it on your auxiliary input and play music off of your portable device. It does have Sirius satellite radio, and it does have voice command. So let me show you that. Also, I can pair a Bluetooth phone. You can pair your Bluetooth phone to the system and answer your phone through the system. So let me just show you what the voice command. Turn to station 59. You know, just little things like that. It kind of keeps your focus on the road and stuff like that. So turn the volume back down. Now, your climate controls are pretty basic. You've got your fan and temperature and stuff like that. Now, you do have heated seats in the front. You can push it one time and it has it's like a high and a medium, I guess you can say, for the heat. There's your traction control button, stability control. This is your four-way flashers, emergency button. There's for your passenger side, heated seat controls. You got the power supply there. And you got like this little shallow pocket. I guess that's for like a pen or something. Yeah, pen fits good in there. And there's your shifter. Now the shifter has an auto stick feature. So when you put it down in drive like that, you're in drive. But if you want to upshift or downshift, you just bump it like this. So that's what that's all about. I like the way it's got the little Jeep symbol there. You got a little pocket down there for, I guess, for some change or something. There's another one there and there, and also you have some cup holders. Now you've got a little armrest here, and it opens up, and you have two portions. A top shallow portion for like a cell phone, or maybe even a small, something small in there. And then this whole thing lifts up. You have a AC adapter power supply here, and you also have a nice big storage pocket here. It goes in there pretty good. Alright, by the way, it has this compass there. It's pretty shiny and nice looking. It's Jeep. There's your storage pocket up there, and you have a glove compartment there, pretty good size. Alright, let's look up here. You've got an auto dim rear view mirror, and you've got some lights in case you need a quick light. There's a visor with a mirror. Pretty much the same thing on the other side. Now, we do have a sunroof in this vehicle, and you can control it using this button right here. So I can go ahead and vent the sunroof there and close it. I can open the whole thing like that. Or you can just close the shade manually in case you don't want to use the sunroof at all. It's like it's not even there. Another thing I like about the Jeeps, it has these articulated vents here to where you can block it off like that, or you get it open up and you just easily change it. Really, just real easy to manipulate there. Alrighty, just give you an idea of what it looks like back there. Alright, if you're interested in this vehicle, my name is Mike, and my phone number and email address will be in the description. You can also leave any questions or anything in the comment section. Alright, see you next time.